In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom menu links in Google Sites. Custom menu links let you point visitors to important places, like an external website, a document, or a specific page, right from your site's navigation. This is great for highlighting resources, partner sites, or any destination you want easy access to from the main menu. Start by opening your site in the Google Sites editor. On the right side of the editor, switch to the Pages panel. This panel is where you manage your site's structure and navigation. If you're seeing Insert or Themes, just click Pages to bring up the list of existing pages and menu items. At the bottom of the Pages panel, click the plus icon and choose New Link. Be sure you pick New Link and not New Page. New Page creates an actual site page, while New Link simply adds a clickable item to your navigation that points somewhere else. Using a link keeps your menu clean and avoids cluttering your site with extra pages you don't need. A small window will appear. Here, select what you want this menu item to point to. Type a clear, short name. This is what visitors will see in your menu. Then add the destination. You can paste a full URL to an external site or choose one of your existing site pages from the list if it's available. Take a moment to double-check the URL for typos. A small mistake can lead to a broken link. Use descriptive names that make sense at a glance, like Support Center or Course Schedule, so visitors always know where they're heading. When you're happy with the name and destination, click Done. Your new link will appear in the Pages panel and should also show in your site's navigation bar or sidebar, depending on your site layout. If it lands in the wrong place, you can adjust the order by dragging it up or down in the Pages list. Nesting it under another page will turn it into a drop-down item, helping you organize related links neatly. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Keep link names concise to prevent your menu from wrapping or looking crowded. Use Preview to confirm the link behaves as expected across devices. And remember, visitors won't see your changes until you publish the site. If you ever need to remove or rename the link, open the Pages panel, click the options next to the link, and make your change. That's all it takes to add custom menu links in Google Sites. Simple, clean, and effective.